What's up, my baby Spurs kid here playing Minecraft. And the last time I checked in, I showed you all the monsters of Minecraft. It looks like they're all gone. Somewhere into the dungeon. I don't think there's a dungeon, right? Oh, they didn't break in. So look, no, they didn't. Alright, now we're gonna go. Let's have a look if there's anything special. Yep, okay, there is 9 bits of wheat. Perfect. Nothing. 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 There we go, finally. Alright, put that in my inventory. Alright. Oh, there's a silver. Alright. I want to put this in my inventory. I just silverfish it on my previous video. Alright. So, now what do alright. I'm gonna be prepared for battle. At least. He's in the end. There's a wolf. Very interested as a wolf. Oh no, he's evil. Don't attack me, cutie. Oh god, I wish I gave him a bone. I wish I gave him a bone. I wish I gave him a bone. Oh god, this is my screen and it's not. Alright. I think this screen's the best. Well, did I kill him? I killed him! Yay! Let's have a dance party. I'll tell you what, that reminds me. Let's have a dance party. Where is it? Thanks, Link, you're pointing the right way. I guess. No, it's not this one. Oh, here it is. Where is that? That thing. There it is. Let's just have a dance party somewhere. Where? Oh, here. Let's have a dance party here, I guess. Let's climb up this ladder, see where we... This is what Princess Scarlet built. I think she's doing really well on her channel. Alright. Hey, where's the ladder? Seriously, where's the ladder? Ladder! Come on. Ladder! Yeah, I'm talking to you, ladder. Where are you? Oh god, where are you? Where's the freaking ladder? Where is the freaking ladder? Where is the freaking ladder? Real, where is the freaking ladder? Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright. Boom, 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 baby. Ooh. Oh, the gap. Just filling some gaps. Whoa. Well, there are a lot of gaps here. Oh god, she's really built high. She's really built high. She's really done well in this. What? Sandra's holding a diamond sword. Let's go down and climb up. There we go. Finally made it. Finally made it. No! I always forget I can fly. I always forget I can freaking fly. This is what Princess Scarlet made. Is that my? Like, real? Is that my? Hopefully it is, because I came all this way for nothing. I guess. Oh yes. Let's have a dance party, I guess. We're gonna have a freaking dance party. Let's have a dance party, get ourselves shut in prison. Help, I'm stuck. Oh god, this thing was weird. Maybe some more torches instead of mood. Or torches instead of mood. It's great dark in this area. Yeah, torches would definitely sell this area. There we go. Let's put one on every single block. Oh yeah, you can't put one in the corner, remember? This area will never be dark again. There we go. Just to start the mood, you know. Just to start the mood. You go off. You go on. Okay. There. We're done here. Ah. How do I do that? Alright. Become in peace. Alright. There we go. Found the F. There we go. Roof. I'm just gonna be quiet for this bit, guys. I'm gonna be quiet for this bit as well, guys. That's the house side there. Alright guys, I am Spurs Kid. If you have not, if you want to check out, that's all you gotta do is just the like button below. Thank you so much guys and support. Alright guys, and this is my last video, Minecraft. Next I'll be doing Super Mario 3D World for the Nintendo Wii U.